Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question we have. F of 0 is my first task. So let's see how we can do this question here. Okay, so task number 1, f of 0. I will copy the whole function. First of all, as usual, f of x equals to 3x plus 1 and x plus 5 and x minus 4. Every x replaced by 0, 0, 0. Okay, there's a so easy equal part. So 0 into 3, I got a 0. So very clear. 0 here, I'm writing 0 plus 5. And 0 even here, I got a 0 minus 4. And here I got 0 plus 1 is 1. And 0 plus 5 is a 5. And here I get negative 4. If I multiply them, I get 5 4s are 20. So I got negative 20. This is my answer of the part number first. So let's talk about second part, G inverse. How to find G inverse, students? So very simple. First of all, I'll copy paste. Whole function I will copy here, which I copied, and now remove the function name and write y here. So I'm saving my time. I write y here. Now currently y subject, but I am bound to make it x subject. So this 3 negative sign will become here, we'll add, and this afterward is 2x, but this 2 is multiplying, will divide. I can save my time just doing in one step. Okay, now switching. Switching means this become left and this become right. So in switching, no sign will change. Not a single sign will change. Okay, I do rest part here. Interchanging criteria. X become y and y will become x. I believe this is nothing hard. And that's y replaced by G inverse. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. First part is done. Second part is done. Let's talk about next part. Next part is what? This is a composite function example, g h of 2. So first of all, 2 will go in h, then whole thing go in g. So job number 1, I will put into in h here. So I will copy function of h of x, which is 4 to power 2x minus 1. I will plug in 2 here, I will plug in 2 here. So you can see, student, every x I will leave empty space, job number 1. And I put 2 here, 2 here. So this is h of 2, I'm leaving untouched. Okay, what about this? 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. I got 4 to power 3. And which is turned to be what is actually equal to 4 to power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. Give you 64. So this is my partial answer. Partial answer means I will plug in this h of 2 in G now. So because I put in G, so I'm copying this function once again here. So let me erase this. And now I'm going to show you. I write a word again. Again means half job is over. Next half job I'm going to do now. Best technique, left hand side empty space, right hand side empty space. Look at, name will come here, value will go here. And I'm writing in a blue color so you can understand easily. Okay. Now this is 2 into this, I got 128 and minus 3, I got 125. This is my final answer. And I believe you got a point. So let's go for next part. What is this question we have? So first of all, what is the function name? G function. So job number 1 is my habit. I always write function as it is. But what is this x? Both x replaced by 2x. So empty space left side, empty space right side. Okay, this 2x will come here and here. So 2x, 2x. But for your knowledge, this is matching or not matching? Matching. It equal to what? 7. So this left side full replaced by 7. And this 2 2s are 4x minus 3. My task is to make x subject. Common sense, this 3 will go there in at. 7 plus 3 equals to 4x. I get a 10 and 4x. This 4 is multiplying. It will divide. I get 10 by 4. And finally, I got answer 5 by 2 or 2.5. Both are correct answers. Let's talk about a little complicated question. Okay, I do it one thing. I both them separate. First of all, I am doing g of x squared. G of x squared. Second task is g of x. So best technique is I'm doing separate. So let's see how we can do this question. Job number 1, I will copy function of g. So look, this is a very good practice to copy the function first. Now I'll show you every x replaced by empty spaces, and I believe this is nothing hard to do like this. And this x square will come here and here. And I believe the chance of mistake reduces in this process. So 2x squared minus 3 is answer of this. Partially job over. Let's talk about this question. What this means, right function will go left function. So job number 1, I will copy g of x, which is very clear to you. Now, what is the normal practice? Left-hand side empty space, right-hand side empty space. So this function name will go here, function value will go here. And I'm writing in blue color so you can understand easily. So this is g of x, no change here. 2 times to 2x will give you 4x. 2 times to 3 give us 6. So I believe this is also done. But game is over? Not at all. Now this value is going here. This value will go here and plus 1 as it is. So let's try to solve it. So this I am writing here. I got 2x to power 2 minus 3. This value go here. I got a 4x minus 9. And plus 1 I must copy. Some student miss this plus sign. And I'm going to finish my question. This I'm writing in order. First this x square. Then I'm writing 4x. And afterwards, -3, -3, 9, 9, sorry. It give us -12. And then plus 1 add. If I add plus 1, it give us -11. And this is my final answer for this part. Let's talk about this question. This is a very interesting, student. Okay, you know, we have given this example many times. For example, g of x equal to, for example, 3. G inverse will go there and automatically inverse will finish. 3 will come in a bracket. But problem, you can ask me one question. Sir, we have a 3, but here we have nothing given. You can assume k here. You can assume p here. You can assume x here. No problem at all. So this h inverse will come this side. Big inverse will automatically finish. Okay. And what is 16? Although I can write two answers. 2 to the power 4 is 16, but 4 to the power 2 also 16, which is a beneficial for us. I'm writing it here. You will come to know later on why. Let's come back on a page, previous page. What is a function here? 4 to the power 2x minus 1. 4 to the power 2x minus 1. 4 to the power 2x 4 to the power 2x minus 1. So students, this is matching. Yes, match. I will copy paste as it is here. 4 to the power 2x minus 1. Actually, we have a rule. What is the rule? If x to the power k and x to the power 2, if these x matches, I will cancel them. And I can say that k and 2 equals to each other. Come on this question. Is this 4 same? Yes. We can cancel them and take this 2 and then put them equals to each other. And bring 1 on this end. I got a 3 to divide, and I got this answer. And I believe you got a point very well. Let's talk about last part. Last part is a little complicated. We have many choices. We can multiply them or multiply them, no issue at all. But I am starting from first two numbers. So 3x into x will give us 3x to the power 2. 3x into 5 will give us 15x. 1 into x will give us x. 1 times 5 give us 5. This is my partial answer. Now what to do? Please don't do directly. I mean, first simplify. How to simplify? These two numbers will give us 16x. This makes question easier. If you don't do, no problem. This multiply with this, I get 3x to power 3. This multiply with this, I get 12x to power 2. 16 multiply with this, I got 16x to power 2. This multiply with this, I got 64x. 5 into x, I get a 5x. 5 into 4, I get -20. Second last step, listen please carefully. So these two numbers, opposite sign, so subtract. Out of 16, 12 gone, 4x to power 2. Now these two values, again signs opposite, subtract. And I can say here, I get -59. 59, yes, exactly. Hold on, let me see. Now, wait a minute. So out of, yeah, exactly correct. and negative 20. Now, if you look at please carefully, I try to compare this question with this question. What is x coefficient 3? What is x coefficient A? So this A and 3 equals to each other. I got first answer, x squared coefficient 4, x squared coefficient B. So this B and 4 equals to each other. Okay. This is a negative, oh, sorry, I missed x. Sorry for that. Okay, x coefficient negative 59. X coefficient is C. So C value is negative 59. So I have done this also. And this is called constant. This is called constant. D is equals to negative 20. Please don't miss the negative signs. I observe some students miss negative sign. And question is Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen completely.